Oh. Okay. This one, Chloe doesn't like the falling ones. This one was chosen by me, but not for the fall. I need you, okay, close your eyes.
Okay.
I need you to just listen to the audio. Not that.
Okay.
That was it, I guess?
I don't even hear anything.
What did he say? I'm sorry, I'm not laughing at you because you fell. I'm laughing at you because of the noise that you made. So good. When I fall, I just want to make a bunch of strange noises as well. And sometimes I do. Sometimes I feel like skateboarding, you're just closely related to like a frog. You like just go around and make little jumps and little noises. That's all. Okay, no more falling ones. No more falling.
Okay, good.